Alright, I'm going to do this again. I'm going to get rid of this photograph, and I'm going to talk about another option of printing a high quality actually photograph at Harvey Norman, okay, and hopefully print a poster that looks, you know, pretty spectacular, all in one colour. Here there's a little bit of green and everything, okay, and I would overemphasize that green. Maybe the top left hand corner photograph hasn't got any green in it, but you get the idea. I'm going to get rid of this one here, replace the image. So if I go in here, here's the promo images, and the one I want to get rid of is that one. I'll just get rid of that. I'll take any image and pop it in. So now I've got 30 good ones, all in the same ratio. I'll get rid of that one there, and maybe put in a green hedge. Okay, I've got 30 photographs. They're all exactly the same colour. There's a red there. Let's be fair. I'll get rid of that, and I'll put in the trees. So there's my shot. Let's do it again one more time. But this time, when you go File, Automate, and you go and do a contact sheet, okay, you need to know from Harvey Norman how big your photograph is going to be. Normally, the width could be 90 centimeters, and the height could be 120 centimeters. Okay. Now, just imagine, you know, the ratio, okay, is 6:9. All the photographs are the same ratio. So if you used multiples of the photographs of 6:4, they are 6:4 long. So let's try this one. 60 centimeters by 40 centimeters. Okay. Maybe we'll double that again. 120 centimeters by 80 centimeters. Okay. So therefore, they all should fit perfectly onto, and that's pretty big. 120 centimeters is about 1.5 meters, and the height's almost a meter. So this photograph should almost be printed a meter wide. Wow. Okay. It's pretty big. So here we go. It'll look the same on the screen, but the quality should be a little bit different when printing at high resolution. I'm going to stop it here for a second. Okay. Let the machine think, and I'll come back to you. Now, after about 4 minutes in my machine, which should probably be about 24 minutes where you are, they finally push the photographs onto a photograph or print sheet. Now, it looks the same on the screen, however this photograph is enormous. It's 120, 1.5 meters, nearly 1.5 meters wide, and it's about nearly a meter tall. Okay, and it still has a little bit of spacing. So it's still trying to fit my photographs, and if I had another series or set of photographs, it probably would fit them all on there. Pushing them together, if I did it by the hundreds, okay, then I would imagine you wouldn't have that big spacing in there. And maybe just for the hell of it, I might just do that and see what I get if I do 100 photographs. But what I'm going to do is turn down the quality of the shot. Okay, so I'm just going to pause it here, and I'll come back to you, and we'll see what the machine does.